What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Today's video is just going to be a cute no makeup tutorial for those of us who are still going to work during this time, during this pandemic where everyone else is getting to stay home and enjoy their family, or try to at least. So there are a few of us who are labeled essentials. We're here to support the A team, if you will. So if you're interested in seeing this makeup tutorial, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that bell notification so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. And don't forget, the most important thing is to follow me on Instagram. The link will be down below. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get into this no makeup tutorial, however you say that. We're going to be doing something very simple. I'm not going to be putting on any lashes, so this is going to be fairly quick. That's the whole point. When you're going to work, you're probably, if you don't work at Ulta or Sephora, you're probably not doing a whole lot. So for those of us who like it a little simple, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm not going to be using any primer today, but if you like to, by all means, do you. Today, though, I'm going to be jumping right into foundation. I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1. I'm not sure how familiar you are with this, but it works as both a concealer. I don't have no mirror. That's crazy. As I was saying, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1, the concealer / foundation. And we're just going to be putting it in the areas that we really need to. I have a lot of discoloration underneath my eyes, so I'm going to focus mostly in that area and maybe a little bit around my mouth, I think, so I can even the complexion out. Alrighty, so we are all blended out. Now the purpose of the concealer / foundation isn't to do a full face. It's just to even out your skin tone, anything that looks a little weird or whatever. We just want to create kind of a blank canvas. So if you'd like to do full coverage, then that's on, by all means, go ahead. I'm not interested in full coverage particularly, so just underneath the eyes and just around the mouth is good enough for me. All right, so let's go ahead and continue and move on. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and set our under eyes because we don't want to crease. We really don't want to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this light to medium 20 Maybelline Fit Me powder right there. I'm gonna add just a little bit underneath the eyes and on the eyelids because I did use some of that concealer to prime my eyelids as well. So we'll go ahead and knock that out. All right, and we are all set, as you can see. So we're going to continue with the face. Oh. And we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of bronzing. Nothing too heavy. We don't want to make it too obvious that we bronze, but we also don't want to be too flat, I suppose. So we're going to do just a little bit. I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use the middle shade, the Scope shade, per the usual. Can you see that? All right. So we are done with that as well. So we're going to keep on moving on, and we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of blush as well. I'm going to go for a bit of a peachy blush. It's going to be the ColourPop Super Shock Chic in the color Get Laid, which is a bit more peachy. On this particular color looks a lot more natural on me than say a pinkier color would. So I'm gonna dip into that one, because remember, we're going for a sort of no makeup look. So alrighty, so we are done with the blush. One of the things I love the most about ColourPop's blushes is that you really have to go in to get color payoff on these blushes. So it really keeps you from being too heavy-handed. So if you're going for a light wash of color like we are today, you don't really have to worry about it being too pigmented, because I mean, I had to spend like 15 minutes trying to build it up to this. So I'm not mad at that. All right, and we are foregoing highlighter because we're lazy and we don't need it. And that's pretty much it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the eyes because that's what's next. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Jackie Aina palette right here, and we're just going to go and basically set the... well, set again, I suppose, the concealer that we put on our eyes earlier. So we're going to go ahead and do a wash of color on there. It's nothing too dramatic. We just want it to look nice, but very subtle. So I'm going to probably use ginger. Yeah, well, I'm going to go in with ginger here on the end. It's a nice brown color. We're going to go in with a pretty light hand. We don't want to be too dramatic. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and tap into ginger and go ahead and apply it on the lid. Can you see that? Yeah. And remember, we're going for a no makeup look. So this, I don't know, I guess no makeup is whatever that is to you. Alright. All right, and that is it. Nothing more, nothing less. You can probably barely see it on camera, but it's there. So next we're gonna go in with a brown liner because we want to keep it more subtle, of course. This one is from Milani. It is the Stay Put eyeliner in Semi Sweet. If you don't have a brown eyeliner, you can of course go in with a brown shadow. I don't know who doesn't know that, but for those who don't, and Jackie Aina's palette has a really nice brown it's in the shade. It's called Credit right there. I actually might go in with that after this and just smudge it on your eyeliner. Alrighty. This this particular eyeliner has a smudger on it as well, which I thought was really cool. It's not a great one, but we appreciate it though. So let's go ahead and line our eyes with the liner. Alrighty guys, and here it is. I went a little bit more dramatic than I wanted to, but we're not going to be wearing any lashes, so we're going to have to play up the eyes a little bit more than we normally probably would. So with that being said, speaking of lashes, we're going to go in with a mascara. Of course, one of my favorite mascaras of all time is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher right here in the green tube. I love this stuff because I don't like spider lashes. I don't think those are cute at all. Alright, so let's go ahead and coat these lashes up. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I put a couple coats of the Clump Crusher on. I hope you can tell. And if you can't, that's probably good. The whole point is that you can't really tell. So, alrighty, so we're moving right along. The last step would be our lippy, and I'm gonna go with a lip gloss because they're a lot better to maintain at my particular job. I'm gonna be going with the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the color Mauve Glitz. That's gonna be this pretty color right here. So I'm gonna add a little bit of color to our look, since we don't have a whole lot going on anywhere else. All right. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. This simple, easy, fast, I still gotta go to work during the pandemic, no makeup look. This was really fun. This was really, really fun. I really liked how it turned out, very easy, as I keep saying. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. I really liked the way it came out. Really nice, really nice. Alrighty guys, so that's it for me. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate that. Be sure to subscribe if you like makeup looks and makeup tutorials and just fashion and whatever. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well for makeup tutorials and no makeup looks, because we love those. Be sure to follow me on Instagram as well. The link, it will be down below. And yeah, that's all. That's it for me, guys. Thank you so much again for joining me, and I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe, and yeah, living your best life in quarantine. All right guys, I'm signing off. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.